functions, right? Observe here, functions are we can call as a method. So what is a function and what is a use of that, how we can declare, these are all the things we are discussing. Coming to the point here, function is a set of statements which can perform particular task. Function is a set of statements which can perform particular task effectively, efficiently, optimized manner. So this is how we need to go for the function we can call. Okay, what is the use of the function means? So reusability, usability, and managing very easily. This is the main purpose of the function. What is the syntax to declaring the variable? What is the syntax to declaring the variable? What is the syntax to declaring the variable? First one, function first access modified void. This is a syntax, and you can write the function name. This is a, we can go for the symbol of that, and write the open braces, close braces. Here we can write the some set of statements. This is the syntax we can go for the function. Okay, for example, first public access modified void public void. Now we can go for the here. For example, function name is sample. I can write function name is sample. Otherwise, I want to write the function name is login. Now this is a function, open braces, close braces. Now we can write or enter the username, enter the password, click the login button. Click the login button. Enter the username, enter the password, click the login button. Enter the username, enter the password, click the login button. So this is a set of statements we have written. Now these actions I want to call, that action I want implemented somewhere, just you can call it login like this. So this set of actions we can implement it here also. So this is we are calling as a function. We are calling function is a set of statements which can perform the particular task effectively, efficiently, and optimized manner. If we coming to the what is the syntax for the declaring the function means access modified void function name. This is a symbol of the function, and open braces, close braces. In between we can write the function. In between we can write the some statements. This is we are calling as a set of statements. We are calling this. We are calling as a set of statements. We are calling. So this is we are calling as a syntax of the function. So what is the main advantage of the function? Usability and managing very easily. Okay, now I will give the one of the here point. What is that means? Observe here, right? See here, I can go for and this manner. Coming to the here, public class, and class name is sample, open braces of the class, close braces of the class. In this class I am declaring the method public void method 1, open braces, close braces, system dot out dot println. Now I can write it here method 1. This is I can print it. system dot out dot m2. I can write the here is a 2. Same manner. So 3 system dot out dot println. Now we can write here 3. This is we can go for that. So this is a one class having the so many methods, right? Now whatever we are declaring the functions, that functions I want to access into some other action. How we can access? So this is one class. This class, all the methods I want to access into some other class. How we can access? See, public class name is class 1, open braces, close braces. Now public static void main method. This we are calling as execution point. Okay. Now these methods I want to access here. This is a method, this is a method, this is a method. I want to access to in this class. In this class I want to access these class. We can take the help, create the reference. Sample s equal to new sample. Right. So this is we are calling as a creating here reference. That reference they are giving the memory location. So this is now s dot m1, s dot m2, s dot m3. So like that we need to call the one class methods into the some other class. So this is a point we are learning now. So what we are discussing, first of all, function. It is a set of statements which can perform the particular task effectively, efficiently and optimized manner. Okay, one class having the so many functions. So this is one function, this is one function, this is one function. Whenever we have the many functions, in one class, that functions, that methods I want to access into some other class. How we can access? With the help of the class name, we can create the reference and memory. With the help of that reference, we can call the methods into the some other class also. So this is we are calling as a how we can access one class methods into some other class. This is we are discussing the here point. Okay. So what we need to understand, one class having so many methods, that all the methods I want to access into some other class, we need to create that class purpose reference with memory. With the help of that reference, we can access the all the methods inside that class. So this is we need to understand the point here. Okay, I'll go for the practical. This is a class I'm creating here. Right click, new class. Class name is sample. Okay, 1. I can give a sample 1. Finish it. Now here I can start the writing method public void method 1. I want to write it here. System.out.println logic for method 1. This is we want to write it. This is I want to write it here. Now coming to the point here, copy this. Now this is a method 2, and this we are calling as a method 3. So this manner I want to write it. So in this manner I want to start the writing here one class. In that class having the 3 methods. So these 3 methods I want to access into some other class. If you call this method, this statement will be printing like that. Okay, I want access. See, create the class. Right click, new class, class 1. Okay, capital C, and main method, finish it. Coming to the point here, this is I want to write it. Right. Now here I can write sample 1 S1 equal to new sample 1. This is I want to write it. So S1 dot, I want to call the method 1. S1 dot method 2. S1 dot method 3. Run it. Now see, it will be executing that all the methods. Now is it giving the logics or not? Here. So this is we are calling as a one class methods we can access into the some other class. So this is we are discussing that today point. So why we are discussing that point? How it will be helpful that point? So that we can use into the Selenium WebDriver only. See, this is one class. These class methods I want access into some other class. Okay, fine. One more point. This is a class methods access into here. But these two classes available into the same package. But new thing, these class methods I want to access into some other package class. See how we can access. Right click, new class 1, main method, finish it. Now see, so what is my planning? This is one package class information means methods I want to access into the some other package class. How we can access? Now we can go for the here. I want to go for here sample 1 S1 equal to new sample 1. This is we need to write it here. See, now it's throwing the error because of that is available in the one package. This is available into the some other package. That is the reason only it will be throwing the error. To solve this problem, just we need to import that one. See, import it. So that class available in which package, it is giving very clear manner. So this is we require the import statement. So one package class into some other package class we need to access. So this is we need to go for the here. So this is a difference we need to go for that. Understood that? So what I am giving the point here, this is one class information you can access into same package some other class. No need to import anything. Just to create the reference like that we can call it. But if you go for that, one class to another class. So this is a one package, that is a some other package. These class information you can access into this class. Now we need to import the statement like this. So this is the point you need to recognize, you need to find the point, and this is a we need to understand here. So this is we can go for the how to access the methods one class to another class in the same package, one class to some other class in different packages. We need to understand. It's clear, huh? Yeah, Mahesh. Hello. It's clear.
Yeah, clear, Sreekanth.
Right. Okay. Now I will start the introducing the Selenium WebDriver right now. What is Selenium WebDriver? I will give it very simple manner. What is a Selenium WebDriver? Very simple definition. First we need to understand. Then I will show it practically. Okay. What is a Selenium WebDriver definition? Selenium WebDriver is an interface developed by Selenium people. It is being implemented by so many classes like Firefox driver, Internet Explorer driver, Chrome driver, Safari driver, etc. So this is we need to go for the here. So in this manner we can go for the here. Okay, once again I repeat. What is a Selenium WebDriver? WebDriver is an interface developed by the Selenium people, which is being implemented by so many classes like Firefox driver, Internet Explorer driver, Chrome driver, Safari driver, etc. First we need to understand what is interface. First we need to understand. Okay, now we come to the point interface. What is a interface? Interface is a set of rules defined by us. It is having so many methods without any logics, without any body. That methods we can implement into the different classes that we are calling as a interface. We are calling. What is the interface? Interface is a set of rules defined by us. It is having so many methods that all the methods we can use into, we can implement into some other classes, forcefully. This concept we are calling as an interface. Okay, for example, this is a interface. Public interface, interface, interface name is, for example, phone. So this is our open braces, close braces of the interface. Now here method public void call. This is only, I don't want to write any logic. It's not accepting logic. Answer public void reject. Like that many methods available. Okay. This is we are calling as a interface we are calling. Okay. These interface, okay, we can implement into the different class. Like this is one class, public class name is Nokia 306. This is a class. Okay, this is a class. So this interface I want to implement to this class, that we can call implements phone. Implements phone. Now public void call. Now we can write the logic. Same manner, public void answer. This is a logic we can write it. Same manner, another method also, third method. This continuation. Public void reject we can write it. So this is I want to create the class. So this interface I am implementing here. So that is only we are calling as an interface here. Interface implementing the here. Implementing means these are all the methods logics we can write to here, here, here. Next one. Another class. Public class. Class name is Nokia 309. And that will be implements phone. Right. Now open braces, close braces. Public void call. So we can write the logic here. Same manner remaining two methods also implemented. So this is we can go for the another class. Another class. Same manner some other class also. So this is implements this interface to here. So this is we are calling as the interface we are calling. What is the interface? Interface is a set of rules defined by us. It is having so many methods but without any logics. That methods we can implement it forcefully into different classes. These concept we are calling as an interface we are calling. Okay. You are declaring interface implementing different classes. But these all the methods you want to use it in the different class onwards. We can go for like this. This is I have some other class. Public class. Class name is, for example, I can write test case 1. Open braces, close braces. Public, we can write the static void main method. This is I want to write the main method. This is the main method I want to write it. Whenever we have written like this, now I want to use this all the interface concept. We can go for the like this. Phone P equal to new. Which class logics you want to use it? That class you can write it. Nokia 306. We can implement it. Sir, before you have written like this is a class name, class name. This is a class. But now we are discussing is what? Interface to class combination we are creating. This is an interface. This we are calling as a class. This is a combination only we need to get the with interface reference with the class memory. Now P dot call. Which logic is it getting? Is it getting from this logic? This is a logic it will be getting to here. Okay, for example, phone. I can go for here. Phone P1 equal to new Nokia 309 like that. P1 dot call. What's the logic it will be getting here? Is it getting the logic from this class here. So this is we need to understand. So interface reference. Interface is common. But class logic will be different. Which class you are using, that logic only using here. So this is we are calling as an interface we are calling. Okay. So in this manner we need to go for the interface here. So this is we are calling as a interface onwards we need to get the data in this manner only. So this is
Sreekanth,
for the here. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me.
so here we are using like phone as one class and Nokia as one class. So we can create object like phone and Nokia, right? You're creating object like phone equal to new equal to Nokia 306, right?
Yeah.
So we can create like that object, like P.
Okay, in the place of phone, you can write the Nokia 306.
Okay.
No. What you are asking? Once again, repeat it.
So I'm asking, so you created a object called P, right?
Yeah.
So that P, when you defined it as phone, P equal to new equal to Nokia 306. So
Yes.
usually when we create objects like, so it will be like phone P equal to new equal to phone, right? From the class itself, we'll create that object, right? For the P.
Okay. I understand. What is your doubt? Okay. So
Yeah.
I want to create like this phone P equal to new phone. This is your doubt.
Yeah. So usually we create in this format, right? Like,
Okay, fine. P dot call.
yeah.
Where onwards it will be getting the call here onwards, right?
Right, right.
But there any logic is there?
Okay.
Any logic is there? No logic.
Okay.
So if you call also no use, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that is the reason from class onwards we need to call the methods logics and we can implement here. If you create
Right, right.
this purpose reference also no use because of there is
Mm.
no implementation there.
Okay.
That is the reason we need to handle interface class combination create the reference.
Okay.
Fine. Okay, now you are understanding interface, right?
Right.
Now I'll give the one more point. WebDriver is a interface. WebDriver is a interface. Just now we are seeing the definition or not?
Yeah.
So WebDriver is a interface, public interface, interface name is WebDriver, right? Open braces, close braces. Public void get method, public void close method, public void get title method. Like that, so many methods will be developed here. Yes, all of you. So whenever you are developing all the methods without any logic as a one interface. But what is this all the methods means? In one web application having so many web element, button, text box, radio button, checkbox, drop down, list box, so many web elements is there. That web elements we need to perform some actions. That actions they can create as a methods here. Very clear? Huh?
Okay. Yeah.
Now these all the methods they are declaring, but there is no logics here. So this application, if you want to open and test in the Firefox browser, now I want to develop the one class name by name is Firefox browser driver. This interface I want to implement to this class. All the methods I can implement it with logics. This application I want to open into the Chrome browser and test that application. So Chrome driver one class I can develop, implement the methods. Same manner that web-based application I want to test by using Safari browser and one class methods I can develop. Same methods we can develop different logics. Opera browser implementing. IE browser implementing. So like that we can implement the so many methods. So these all developed and giving for us in the form of jar files Selenium WebDriver people. So that is only we are giving the definition here. Selenium WebDriver is an interface developed by Selenium people which is being implemented by so many classes like Firefox driver, internet. This is a classes they're implementing also. That is, I'm giving the internal architecture I'm showing here. Very clear? Huh?
Yeah.
So these all already Selenium people developed and giving for us in the form of jars. They're giving in the form of jars. These jar files I want to download from the website and add to my project in the Eclipse. Using these jar files information, I want to convert the manual test cases to test script. I can change it. So this is we're planning to go for the here. This is we're planning to go for the here. Understood? So this is a
Yeah.
Selenium developer will be developing. That is the reason only they are giving Selenium WebDriver, downloading the jar files, adding into the our Eclipse project, using that jar files information, writing the manual test cases to test the script only. That we will discuss now practically now. So where are these all developed here? Where it is located? Where almost we can download? Now I want to go for the practical. Yes, can I go for the practically this one?
Yes.
Right. Now see. Now already Selenium people will be developing here. Where seleniumhq.org website is it. This is a Selenium official website. This website, this is a Selenium official website. This website already they are developing and giving for us. Click on the downloads. Click on the previous releases. This one. And then, yes. So this is a previous releases is going. Right. Here we have a lot of releases. Now we can go for the, this is a 2.53.0 version, we can go for that. Because of this is a full version, click that one. Whenever clicking that one, now it will be open the jars. Now it's open the jar files. See, in these many jar files, which jar file I want to download? This is a last. Each jar file we need to go for anyone. You can go for any one is enough. So I want to download this one. See, click this one. Now that will be saving to the here. This is we are calling as a jar file. These jar file having all our this one. This is whatever I'm explaining, that all will be available here. So, and that I can save it in particular location. Okay, whenever saving, now that I can add into the my project location. Observe here, my project. Right click on the project, go for the properties. Go for the properties, then click on the build path, select the libraries, click on add external jars. Now this is we can go for the Selenium server standalone, open it. Now click OK button. If you click OK button, this jar file is coming to our project location. See here, this is that will be coming to our project location. See, this is all our Selenium WebDriver jar files, whatever we are download is coming to our project. So this is not one file, it's having lot of packages. It's all they're developing. Each and every package having so many classes also again. See, so these all developed and giving for us in the form of jar file. inside that packages classes having so many methods, so many interfaces, that all we can start the using and writing the script. Okay, how we can write it? Very simple. Right click, create a new class, open. Now I can write test case Gmail open. This is I want to write it. Main method, select it. Now see, I want to start the writing the script here. First, manual test case. I want to write a manual test case. What is the manual test case? First, open Firefox browser. Firefox browser. Now that purpose I want to write it web driver. Web driver is nothing but interface. Interface reference driver equal to new Firefox driver. This is I want to write it. See, why is it throwing error? That is available in the separate package in the separate class. This is available in the separate package in the separate class. So I want to import here. Keep the cursor, control space. Click that. Now she is importing a same manner Firefox driver also. Click it. And this is a open. Click it. This is a way we need to go for that. So in this manner, we need to go for the open the Firefox browser. So this is a manual test case that I want to convert as an automation test script. So this statement will be open the Firefox browser. See, save it, run it. See, so open the browser or not? Right. Next step. Open.
Sreekanth,
Yeah. Yeah, tell me.
do we need to have a supportable Firefox browser, right? Version.
Yes.
Like for 2.53, are there any specific versions that we need to consider?
Any version it will be supporting, but it's not support the beta version.
Okay.
It will be supporting full version 45. Right now I'm using, this is a version is 45 version.
45. Okay.
Right. Now coming to the here, open gmail.com. So writing the script. Driver is nothing but reference. Dot get method. This is I want to write the http gmail.com. This is I want to write it. Now see, save it, run it. Say open the Gmail application. Now I want to go for the maximizing like that, and then I want to close it also. So that purpose. Okay. Maximize browser driver is nothing but browser dot manage what window dot maximize. This is I want to write. Next, close browser driver is nothing but browser dot close. Now observe, save it, run it. Now so open the Gmail, maximizing, closing also. So like that we can start the developing the script here. Understood?